Alright, assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to Shib update today. And we've seen a pump from Shib yesterday, which was incredible. But right now, we are being faced with a correction to the downside. Of course, when something moves up, it actually tends to come down. Now, I'm not trading Shib, but I'm holding Shib. Okay, there's a very big difference right there. And the last time I made an update on Shib was yesterday, but before that, it was back in April. So basically, after 4 months or 5 months, I've actually come into the Shib update side because it just made the move right now, and it has been a long time we haven't seen any move from Shib. Now this coin to me is more of a long-term coin than a short-term coin. In yesterday's video I told you that there is a place where Shib is going to pump, and that place is going to be a big resistance for Shib at the moment. So what I'm going to do is probably bring back the logarithmic scale, which is not happening right now. I'm just going to refresh the page. Alright, and when I do refresh the page here, I'm going to go into the daily time frame, and I do want to show you that Shib has one place that is going to be a problem for the move up. So you do have this one resistance there, second resistance, third resistance, and then you have this resistance as well. So this is a trend line that is always a problem. So basically this might be the end of the pump for Shib, to be honest with you. I'm not saying that it's going to go crazy and start to make a bull run. Of course we do have chances for that to happen, and if you break above here, you do have good chances to move up to 1400, because that's the next resistance because of this line right here. And let me show you that line once again. 1 2 3 4. So break above here, 5 right there. Okay, now can we break above, because this trend line has been a problem ever since December 2021, and we're sitting at 2023. So it's a very, very long time. But if it does continue, we do have few more months of more waiting for Shib, and that's the reason why I do say it's a long-term coin. For me personally, it's like, and when I talk of long-term, I'm talking about years, couple of years basically. Okay, so that's the definition of long-term from my perspective. And so you can see that the last time you came down to one of the biggest support levels that was created back in May 2021 was you had accumulation 1 2 3 4. You had some nice accumulation for Shib, and then you pumped back to the upside, and then you came down to the very, very same place. Okay, down here. Can you get rejected? You must have an open mind that this can be a rejection and still come down here, back this off, come back up, and still try to move up again, or instead just try to break above here and go up. One thing I can try to judge Shib from is the RSI. Now the RSI has a very, very small gap where you can expect just a little bit of a climb here again, because that's where the resistance is going on the RSI. So resistance here, right there, nearly right there, one here, so maybe touch it again, and by that time you move up again. And the support is actually pretty obvious, that you can see that this is the support level for Shib. So it's a very, very simple logic right there. And if you do end up coming down again here, then the RSI is going to come down here, and you do have one opportunity here, come down here, and this is another opportunity right there. So it really depends on how you look at things. Again, I always say this back to back: everyone is their own profile. You might be trading the coin on the 1 hour time frame and leveraging and this and that, and you're in the futures, and for you 1 to 5% is a very big deal, okay, because you're a day trader. But this is not based on you day trading, but this is based on how I do see at the gains in the next coming couple of years because of Shibarium update as well. So I hear that there's an update coming by 14 or 15 of August, and this is the pre-pump, and this can actually be the time of the very old saying that goes in crypto, where people say that what do they say? Why did I forget? Oh, now I remember. They say buy the rumor and sell the news. So maybe when the news is going to be out, we can have a blood. And right now the rumor is that the update is coming by the middle of the month, and now we're actually pumping up. So that's it. I did actually enter Bone yesterday and exited early. Bon is another from the family of Shib as well. So Bon came down, Shib came down as well. Both of them are kind of linked with one another. So that's it for this very quick update. I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.